don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah, counting up the money and it's hard to keep, yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on the map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about.
Hello, traders. Good morning. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. It's a beautiful week for new opportunities in the market. It's a beautiful week to be a trader. Yes, hello, Sammy. We have a new week, new opportunities. Morning also. Hello. Whatever time it is around wherever you are. Maybe in New York time, it's night time. But for most of us, it's morning. Maybe Asian session, it's nighttime. Hello, Mr. Fees. All right, so let's get straight into it. What are we going to be looking at today? Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and then last but not least, XAUUSD. If you have any pairs you want, put that in the comment section before we start. Because once we're 20 minutes in, 30 minutes in, we're not going to start putting in analysis. We're not going to take analysis until we get to the next session. I decided to do a London session. Okay, says card JPY. We'll do that after GBPJPY. I decided to do a London session for Monday because I think Mondays is best to always start early. In my opinion, I would say Asian session would be the best time to start, on Mondays. However, most people want London session. So here we are. All right. Boom. 1 minute. Some people keep messaging me saying, "Oh, I didn't see my trades didn't copy. I didn't see it in my trades." Then I ask, "Okay, what trades didn't you see copy?" Then they don't know. Messaging me just to message me. People are just messaging me just to message me. They don't even know what they are saying. They don't know what they are saying. I haven't taken a trade all through last week. So if you say that my trade didn't copy for you, what trade exactly are you talking about? Imagine you are trading and I keep telling you, yeah, I'm not copying your, I'm on your neck all the time. You would not be able to trade. Yet you are connecting to my account and you are treating me like that. The reason why people do that is because they can blame you for everything. Something they can't do, they are on your neck on it all the time. I didn't take any trade. So what trades are people telling me that didn't copy? They don't know what to say. The videos that I'm uploading are 2 weeks old. And people are seeing it, but they don't care. They just want to message me. You know, I didn't take any trade last week because I didn't see any opportunity to take any trade last week. Anyways, the accounts that I'm trading that I say copy trade, right? I am not going high risk like I went on the $250 account. The $250 account, I was ready to lose it. Even the $250 account, I'm not trading aggressively like I used to. Yes, I will take trades, but they will be low risk, plain and simple. If I see trade opportunity, I will take them. I didn't see any trade opportunity last week. I didn't take any trade on any of my accounts. So the people that keep on messaging me that they didn't get any trades on the account, I didn't get any trades too. So what new information are you giving to me? You're not giving me any new information. Anyways, we'll see throughout this week if we have any opportunities. I did have one opportunity last week, but I missed it. I missed it. I missed it on my own personal account too. So we'll see. And I don't force trades. I'm not going to force trades just because you say it. If you could trade, you won't be coming to meet me in the first place. Your behavior that is making you lose is what you are trying to push to me. If I was taking trades forcefully, I would not be successful. I will not grow my account just because I want to trade, just because I want to trade. There's no opportunity, but oh, you must trade. That's why you people are losing. And you want to push your bad habits to me. Anyways, we'll see if we can get any trades this week. There are always people that cannot trade that are always doing this thing. Always people that cannot trade. You are literally confessing to me why you cannot trade. You, when you are trading, you don't see opportunity, but you forcefully take trades just because you want to take a trade. Then you go back and sit at home and like, why am I always losing? But anyways, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Myoga Markets, link in description below. In order to be able to connect to my account, make sure you have at least $350 in your account. You can invest more in your accounts and then send proof of that to me on WhatsApp and Telegram. If you want to test my software for me, the software does all the analysis, tells me when to buy, where to sell, where to exit, when and where to buy, when and where to sell, when and where to exit, where to hedge, the market direction in all time frames. Does the analysis the moment I open my charts. Also available on TradingView. If you want to test it for 2 weeks, sign up with Myoga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $100 to $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about taking trades and testing my software. And send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Hello, Solomon. And yeah, we'll continue to upload more videos. I don't even have videos for this week. I only have one video for this week. And that video didn't even really play out well. I had to, there was news and everything. It messed it up. I had to just quickly configure it. So I don't even have any trades recorded for this week. I have to take trades this week because I haven't had any trades all through. Probably this week I'm going to take tiny scalp trades. You know, I haven't seen any trades in the markets, any big trades in the markets so far for scalping. And that's what I'm looking for in the copy trade account. I'm looking for big scalp trades, you know. With that being said, Kawindu Dulan says, how about XAUUSD? Yes, we have XAUUSD on the list. We have EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, CAD and then XAUUSD. And we'll do them one by one. Hello, Saravan. Yes, welcome to London session. Mondays, we go for London session. You said, I guess I am late. No, we haven't even started. But you can watch the replay if you want. Maybe you don't want to stay on the live. We haven't even started. We're going to start with EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and then CAD, JPY, and then XAUUSD. All right, excuse me. Yeah, and if you want to learn, okay, for the people that want to learn, you want to learn how to scalp the markets, you want to learn how to hedge. What is hedging? Hedging is whenever you get into trouble in the market, whenever you are in a bad trade, whenever you're getting to a loss, you have the confidence and you have the right knowledge and you have the know-how in order to not lose, okay, in order to never lose a trade, okay, hedging the proper way, making profits to cover your loss. When I'm teaching you this, I will not just sit down and talk. I'll give you live trading examples, just the same way when I'm teaching you to scalp, when I'm teaching you to swing trade, I'll give you live trading examples. If you want to learn it, and when you get the course, you also get the software for free. It comes with the course, okay, go to hedgingmastermind.com. With that being said, before we start doing the analysis, we'll take one break for for Muga markets, and then we'll be right back with the analysis. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. The comment helps with the engagement. It helps to bring more people to the live stream, and when they ask questions, it helps you also. Okay, because some people ask questions you probably wouldn't have thought about, and then you get some education from it for free. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment for the algorithm. We'll be right back soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I use to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. One minute, guys. I'm looking for EURUSD. 1 minute, guys, before I start. One minute, guys. I'm trying to send something. Let's see.
Drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they acting free. They are well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time.
All right, so let's begin. The last time we had EURUSD, we had a sell, played out perfectly. Okay, touched our entry and went all the way down. The market is still looking bearish at this point, so let's see what opportunities there are. Guys, I've been asking this question: should I start making vlogs? I want to start making vlogs. I want to start making podcasts. Should I upload it on this channel, or should I upload it on the second channel, the vlogs and the podcasts? Oh man, TradingView has started again. I don't know why. Every time I'm streaming, TradingView just gives me problems for no reason. For no reason. What is this? Just, you know, just starts misbehaving. And it's only when I stream. What is this? Move. Just look at it. It's not moving. But it's showing me the sign. Anyways. What is this? It's possible to take a set. What is this? Man, why is it just behaving like this?
Drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping.
Let me try it again. All right, so it's possible to have a sell. Boom, boom, boom. You set the exit at the high of yesterday, or should I say the last previous trading day. And there are multiple targets, okay? Let's see. It's possible to have 11 to 1 ratio trade. You are risking about 17 pips. The first target will be here. Boom. 1.105, right? Even if we're looking at it from here like this, right, it will still be about almost 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. You're going for almost 70 pips. Second take profit is around here, 1.0975. Okay, so this is a 10 risk to reward ratio trade, Euro USD. Let's see how this plays out. You know, there's not much I can say. It's quite straightforward, quite simple. You know, an entry around here, less than 16, about 16 pips. Exit 11 to 1 risk to reward ratio. You are going for 180 pips. Very straightforward. There's not much to say again. You know, just straightforward. And if you are hedging, this is beautiful. If you are using a stop loss, you are using very tiny. You are risking very tiny. So it's good, both good for people who are hedging and people who use exit as a stop. So let's move on to the next, which is GBPUSD. GBPUSD. GBP. What happened now? Here we go again. Man, I need to sort out why this. I need to sort out why TradingView keeps doing this. GBPUSD, I'm sure it will have the same, you know, analysis as EURUSD. Because it is GBPUSD, EURUSD doesn't mean that they have the same analysis all the time. You know, sometimes it happens. Sometimes GBPUSD might be going long and EURUSD might be going short. Some people, they don't. Some people are just very lazy. You know, they are just very lazy, and they will just say, "Oh, because EURUSD is going down, GBPUSD must be going down too," so they sell. The reasons why people lose, it's not because the market is evil. Some people just don't, they just don't want to apply wisdom to whatever they are doing. They just want to try the lazy route. The last time I gave my analysis, I said GBPUSD was going to go up and then crash, and I said I expected it to continue to go down all the way here, which it did. Now is giving us an opportunity to take a sell, set your exit, same thing as EURUSD, as the high of the previous day. You can set your targets all the way down to, let's see, all the way down to 1.26, right? You're risking about 30 pips for about 275 pips. Risk to reward ratio is 9.3 to 1. You know, I always come in with those big risk to reward ratios. If this trade doesn't play out, right? Same thing with EURUSD. If EURUSD doesn't play out, expect EURUSD to be bullish all through this week. If GBPUSD doesn't play out, expect GBPUSD to be bullish all through this week. So these trades that I'm giving, they are the foundational ground for this week, right? If we go short on EURUSD, GBPUSD, including gold, then we are short all through this week. If we go long on Euro USD, GBP USD on these trades that I'm giving out, then we are long all through this week. So be very cautious of that. Yeah, so that's GBP USD. Not that complicated. I'm not gonna sit down here like all the other people who live stream and try to make it seem like I'm doing some crazy secret strategy, some complicated whatever mumbo jumbo. This is how trading should be. Very boring, very easy, very straightforward. It shouldn't be confusing you. You should just be confident, come in, know exactly what is going on, go out, know exactly what to do. You shouldn't be cracking your brain on it. If it goes long, you should know what to do. If it goes short, you should know what to do. All these things is how you're meant to trade. If you are doing all those extra things, trading when you do not see opportunity, just because you want to trade, just because everybody's trading, just because others are trading, just because you're seeing profit, then you lose your account and start saying, oh, the market is evil, the market is against me. You know, it's just ridiculous. Thank you for the comments, Solomon. Thank you. How's your week going and weekend parties? Yeah, my weekend was good. My week is going good. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Hope your week is going good too. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the comments. Said yes, vlogs will increase awareness about the channel. I guess vlogs and podcasts both are good. More content, more viewers, and more helpful. Yeah, I want to start making more videos on topics that I find interesting. For example, topics that I'm looking at on Instagram, topics that I'm looking at on YouTube, just trending things that I usually look at personally. Maybe I'll just give my opinion very quickly. Said gold bro today, how behave. You see, why are you making me repeat this? I already told you it's on the list. We're already going to do it. You know, let's focus on where we are. Even if we are not on your peer, you can just contribute by making a comment, you know, just to help before we get to gold. But if you keep on typing gold, gold, gold from the start to the end, it's not going to make me do gold faster. It's not going to make me abandon the other peers. It's not just you. You're not the only one on this live stream. You know, it's not going to make me abandon what other people have asked me for just because you're typing gold, 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 gold. It's turn by turn. You know, if you want me to go faster, then when I'm doing analysis for other peers, make a comment for that also. Where are we? What's next? What's next? What's next? USDJPY. USDJPY. Where is USDJPY? USDJPY. I missed a trade on USDJPY. It's so painful. I'm still talking about it because yeah, there was only like one trade on USDJPY all through last week. So USDJPY since last week gave us only one opportunity. It hasn't given us any opportunity for taking trades so far since then. Trading view, come on, man. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. All right, so USDJPY, no opportunities yet. We needed to break 142. It's looking consolidated. Excuse me, guys. It's looking consolidated at the moment. We needed to break 142, right? Or we needed to break 141.5. So we see what is happening. Okay. I would say the market is still bullish. No opportunities yet. No setups yet. We needed to break 142 first for us to be able to have a setup on USDJPY. All right. So if there's a setup on USDJPY after it breaks 142, two things. I'm either going to post an analysis for an entry in my Telegram group and my YouTube community section, or I'm going to do a live stream for New York session today. One of the two. All right. Because for USDJPY, we needed to break 142 before there's any setup or analysis, whether we're going long or we're going short, you know. So we just have to wait. And this is exactly how you trade. Nobody should message me that, oh, they didn't see any trade, blah, blah, blah. If you didn't see any trade, you must come with the trade. You know, don't message me, say, oh, I didn't see it, copy. Show me the trade. Show me the trade that I took that you didn't see, copy. You know. Anyways, GBPJPY, same situation. It looks like we've escaped this consolidation zone finally. But, like I said before, we need to break this high. We need to break this high. When I say something, I'm not just putting random spots. My students would not know this. My students barely even come on this live stream because they already know what to do. Most of the people on my live stream are people who, you know, haven't gotten the course or don't want to get the course because they think they don't need the course. You know, something like this, I knew exactly why I was putting this point here. Yes, we were coming out of a consolidation, but however, there was still a consolidation here. We need to escape this point. Same thing with USDJPY, or you can see it's coming back into this consolidated area, and then we're just doing push down, push up again. So no trades on GBPJPY yet. We have to wait for a break of 182.5 for the high of the previous day before we get any analysis in the market. So let's move on to CAD JPY. CAD JPY. Thank you for the comments, Sammy. Yes, no, not you, not you. It's just some other people. And it's mostly people that don't know how to trade. Art Tech rates, GBP USD. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the comments, Sammy, GJ. Thank you for the comments, Solomon. We don't usually see Tandy during the London session. I think she's sleeping, enjoying her good night rest. Let's see. You are too good. If you get the course, you can be good also. It's not that complicated. You know, it's very easy. There's nothing special I'm doing. There's nothing. I don't use any indicator. I'm not using moving averages. I'm not using support and resistance. I'm not using Bollinger Bands. I'm not using, what are the other crap that people use that are rainbow indicators? You know, I'm not using any of those rainbow nonsense. I'm simply looking at what the market is showing me. You know, I'm not trying to fight the market. I'm not trying to beat the market. You imagine trying to beat $1 trillion market that is always beating over 95% of traders. What makes you special? That's just dumb, you know. So all those other things that people say they do, but they can never sit down with you, give you analysis. They can never sit down with you, do live trades in front of you. Some people always say, oh, why don't you scalp? Why don't you? Once they say that, I just know that they are coming to come and say rubbish. I've done some scalp trades on my live streams many times, right? This is something that I teach, but you are insulting me for not doing it. You are insulting me for not doing something that you didn't pay for, which I've already done. I usually just block people like that. They just come and insult. They don't know anything about the channel. They think I'm like the other channels that they are hopping from up and down from, you know. They are so dumb, you know, that they are just used to crap. They come here and they think it's the same thing as everyone, and they just make the same dumb comments that they make everywhere. I usually just block people like that immediately. If you cannot sit down, take your time, look at what the channel is about, look at everything that is on the channel before you make a dumb comment, then you deserve to be blocked. You've literally just told me why you are a loser, why you keep losing in the market, because you don't sit down enough to do research. CAD JPY, we're looking at it being bullish. We're looking for an entry at around 160.5. Same analysis as before. Whoever gave CAD JPY analysis, either you didn't watch the last live stream, or you're usually not on our live streams. We've done the analysis, same analysis as before. Nothing has changed. We're looking for an entry at 106.5. Same situation as possible. Exit at 106. I have points. Exit basically at the low of the previous day. I'm not in favor of this card JPY trade. I think it's best to wait for. It's best to wait and see what USDJPY has to offer, or GBPJPY has to offer, because the exit for this card JPY is about 45 pips. Even me that I hedge, you know, I wouldn't go for this trade. I would say yes, it's a good trade, but in terms of risk, is kind of high risk. Yeah, it's a high risk trade. You know. All right. Last but not least, what they've been spamming me in the comment for, XAUUSD. Finally, we are here. Somebody type "we are here" in the comment section. We are here. XAUUSD. We are here. Somebody type "we are here" in the comment section. Let's go. We are here. Finally, we are here. We are here. Finally, we are here. We are here. Finally, we are here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It said the day my account will grow, I will buy your course and become your student. Many people have said that. I've grown people's, this is not the first time I'm doing copy trade. I've grown people's accounts 200%, 500%. They just took the profit and ran away. You know, I've traded people's accounts, you know, without doing copy trade, just doing accounts management, telling them to deposit on their own broker, and then I'll trade. I've made profit for them. They took the accounts, they took the profit and ran away. Why did they do that? I don't know. It didn't make any sense. Was it not common sense to pay me and let me continue trading the account, right? But that's just how people are. And then they come back and they beg me to trade the account. Yet they still don't want to pay me. You know, people just do a lot of dumb shit, you know. And then when you make strict rules, they start complaining. If you don't like my rules, then don't meet me. I'm not begging anybody. I make profit on my own. I make profit on my own. I don't need to wake up to go to work. I don't need to wake up to do any job that somebody is telling me to do. I don't need to. I literally can just wake up, enter my supercar, decide to go to another country and relax for the next 6 months. And I will not make any single trade. You know, I already made so much trades. I already made so much profits. If I decide to not work for 1 year, I can do that. If I decide to not trade for 1 year, I can do that. You said the paid course, how many hours live session in a day? Minimum around 2 to 3 hours. It can go up to 4, 5 hours, 6 hours. It depends on you. Some people, they have bad habits, right? And you have to sit down with them for hours, because I'm not going to sit down with you and say, oh, do this, do that, and finish the course. You are going to ask questions all the way at every single stage. You can pause me at any point in time. If you want me to take a live trade, live example at any point in time, we do it. If you have any question, we go through it. Sometimes you can share your screen, then I start doing it on your own screen, right? So it's not some crap like what you guys are used to, you know. And I keep on asking myself this question: why do you pay someone that is not going to take live trades with you? Nobody has been able to ask me that question, but I think maybe it's because you like the people. For example, most of you may not like me, even though I'm ready to sit down with you, live trade with you, teach you live. But you may like somebody that is not going to trade live with you, going to sell you crap, but just because you like that person, you would rather take their course. So basically, what this is none of my business, it's none of my problem. If you decide that you want to lose because you like the person, I'm not going to complain. It's your account. You said getting profit and run away is one-time profit. To become your student, yeah, well, you can't sit down here and argue with how people behave, right? There's a reason why they are losers. There's a reason why they are losing all the time in the market. You know, most of the time it's not because, oh, they are doing so. It's just bad trading habits. It's just bad habits. It's plain and simple. It's bad habits. You can sit down with with some people, give them the key to the city. But because it's just like taking drugs, right? You can give someone everything, you can give them money, a family, everything that will make someone happy, but they will decide to go back to the drugs because that's what they like. Some people, you can teach them, go through with them live trades, show them why what they were doing was not working, right? Literally explain it to them why it will never work, and literally show them with proof, with live example of something working. But just because they've been using support and resistance for the past 9 years, they cannot let go of it because support and resistance has been their life. Just because they've been using Bollinger Bands, just because they've been using moving average, just because they've been using it for 5 years, 10 years, because it has been their life, they will use my system, it will work for them. But because that is what they are used to, they will go back to moving averages and they'll lose. And they'll start telling me, Mr. Solomon, I don't know why. I know the right thing to do, but I don't do it. I know the right thing to do, but I don't do it. Those kind of people, the only thing that can help you is an in-person course, because I'll have to be able to sit down with you, watch you trade, and understand why you are doing those things, and then I can help you. It's just like when you go to meet a doctor, right? Maybe you need your situation is you need to just take some pills, you need to just take some drugs, or your situation may be that you need to have a surgery. Those people that have bad habits, they need surgery, okay? And surgery is going to cost more than just taking pills. That is why I keep telling people on this live stream and on my videos, even if you cannot afford the course, stop using support and resistance, stop using moving averages, stop using Bollinger Band. At least help yourself, right? Do something good for yourself, because you are not helping yourself by doing that. You may think that, oh, I'm just using it for now. No, you are building bad habits. You are taking drugs. It's little by little, and before you know it, you will not be able to stop using it. Even if you can't afford the course, stop doing that to yourself. You are just building bad habits that you will not be able to lose in the long run. You said, I prefer to buy the course first. Currently, I am attending all streams, but I'm not trading since I'm saving for my part-time job to buy the course. I know people do crazy things. I can understand you are right, but wisdom is to eat egg daily rather than eating chicken once and then no more eggs. Well, but some people will say the chicken tastes better and they just want to have a good taste of the chicken. You know, it would be what it, human beings do whatever they want. You know, that is why God gave us freedom to be able to do whatever we want. If you decide to jump off a bridge, God is not going to stop you. You have your freedom to do whatever you want, you know. So jumping off a bridge doesn't make sense, but people do it all the time. That's just human beings for you. So check GBPUSD. We've done GBPUSD already. Rewind or watch the stream again. Yes, chicken is tasty. You know, taking a trade when you don't see any opportunity, just because the market has not given you opportunity for a long time, is tasty also. You know, it's after you click that buy or after you click that sell, you realize how bad the decision was. But it's too late. You've already taken it. Can you stop spamming GBPUSD in the comments? You can spam any other thing. We've done GBPUSD already. You are late. You are late. You know. So yes, using moving average is tasty. Using Bollinger Bands is tasty. Using support and resistance is tasty. It satisfies your need to just see something happen. But it is after you enter that trade that your eyes will now start, you know, the illusion will start clearing from your eyes. Do you know how many people message me saying, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have taken the trade. Please, can you help me hedge? When you were making profits, you did not message me. You did not tell me you want to share profits. But now you want me to leave my students. You want me to leave my private life. You want me to. I did not learn how to trade. I did not sit down in my room, struggle for years, just for me to leave my private life that I've worked for to come and hedge out your trade for you. Leave all my students that have paid me. Sometimes they don't even know my name. They just randomly message me because they have access to me and they start demanding I hedge their account. You know, even if you want to be nice, be like, please, I made a mistake. But these ones, they insult me, they talk to me anyhow, and they tell me and they demand that I must hedge out their account just because they have access to me. It's crazy. You should see the DMs that I get, you know. But I am not from one of them. My choice is different. Well, a lot of people say that. All right, but we'll see. Boom, boom, boom. All right, XAUUSD finally. XAUUSD, I've already said it before. If it breaks this point, we're in a consolidation, you start expecting it to be bearish. However, I've been quite optimistic because obviously I have my own personal bias because I was in a buy on XAUUSD. I've closed one of the buys. I closed it in $5,000 profits. Let me just show you. I just closed it this morning. I just had to close one of the trades because I had two trades open. I closed one of them in $5,000 profits. Let me see if you can see it. In $5,000 profits. It's on my swing trade account. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see it? Let's see. You can't see it. Okay, wait. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, if you're watching my live stream, you would know that I closed one of the trades out. The rest I put it at break even at 1955. However, if we're not talking about my personal bias, I'm looking at exactly what is going on in the market. I'm not trading with bias. I'm looking at exactly how the market is and what the market is saying. The market is saying we're bearish. I've been saying it since. Forget my personal bias. Let's look at the technical analysis. I've been saying it since that if we break 1970, we are going bearish. And if you follow that, some of you, if you are smart enough, you should have already been selling. All right, because we've already gone more than 100 pips down. We're already at 1960. At this point, even I in the moment it hits my 1955, I'll start taking a sell. Since last week, I've put an analysis for a sell. All right, I've put an analysis for a sell. So at this point, it should be triggered. Exit is 83 pips, which is not a lot compared to all the gold trades we've been taking. It looks like it's been back into this consolidation, so we need to break 1955 for us to continue to have a bearish sell all the way down to 1930. In fact, I'm going to increase the take profit all the way down to 1920. Okay, 1920. All right, so our profit has increased to almost 400 pips. We're almost at 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let's see, we can still get an entry here. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a bearish move. However, the exit needs to go higher. I would say we can place the exit at 197, or let's just say the high of the previous day. All right, the high of the previous day, which was 29, last week Friday, 21st of July 2023. So yeah, all right, the exit has increased to 100 pips. The take profit has increased to 400 pips, but we need to break 1955. Cannot break 1955. Remember all these trades, once you get into 40-50 pips, take some profit, move the rest to break even. All right, so if we break 1974, let's just say 1974, then this trade is over. All right, you can decide to enter at 1965 because it's looking like it wants to push there, but the take profit is 1920. We'll see if this breaks my, because I'm still being hopeful. If this breaks my break even, right, I'm going to start taking sales on gold. So yeah, that's it for today. That's all the analysis. If you have any questions, any last minute questions, do you think GBP USD will go down? I've done GBP USD analysis. Rewind. I don't think you are listening to me. Can you hear me? Or maybe can you guys hear me? Thank you for the comment, Solomon. I don't know if you can hear me because it keeps on asking about GBP USD. We've done GBP USD already. All right, so we have less than 1 minute left on this stream. If you have any last minute questions, thank you for the comments, Sammy. Thank you for the comments, Solomon. If you have any last minute questions, put that in the comment section. If not, we'll be ending this stream very, very, very soon. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. For these trades, I'll keep it updated. Okay, someone is calling me. I'll keep you guys updated in the Telegram group. Remember, make sure to join the Telegram group. Let me just pick up this call and yeah, we'll end the stream.
I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the six. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, well, man, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to don't miss it. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the number one spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and